We have 2 points A and B, and we need to get from point A to point B. So let's imagine we are navigating a grid-like structure. So it could be either a board game or a graph where we can only move in straight lines. So either horizontally or vertically. No diagonal moves are allowed. How do we measure the distance between them? Let's say A's coordinates are x1 and y1 and B's coordinates are x2 and y2. So first we'll count how far apart they are in the x direction. That would be x2 minus x1. And then we'll count how far apart they are in the y direction. So that would be y2 minus y1. Let's plug in the coordinate values. The horizontal distance is 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3, and the vertical distance is 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. So we add them up to get a total distance of 6. Let's move point B to a new location where x2 is equal to 2 and y2 is equal to 2. So the horizontal distance becomes 2 minus 5 equal to negative 3, and the vertical distance becomes 2 minus 4 equal to negative 2, giving us a total of negative 5. But that doesn't make sense, right? Because you cannot have a negative distance. It's like saying you've covered negative 5 units of space, but that's not how distance works. Whether you move left or right or up or down, you are still covering ground. That's why we take the absolute value of each difference when calculating the Manhattan distance. But then why call it Manhattan distance? Manhattan is a borough in the beautiful city of New York, which has a street layout that forms a grid-like pattern. So if you go from point A to point B, you cannot cut across diagonally because buildings are in the way. So instead you move along the streets block by block, first in one direction, then the other. It's also known as the taxi cab distance because it is the same route a cab would take in a city like this.